Hey everyone, what more do I need to say? Part 12 the speedrun, let's go. Let's get straight into it. Alright, let's play a Kalizuka tour. One of my favorite openings to play. It's a simple opening. Ooh, what is my opponent trying to do here? He's trying to play pawn e5. Is that the best idea for my opponent? Probably not. There's some sketchy stuff my opponent's playing here. Let's see if I can take advantage of it. Ooh, he pushes here. Some queen h4 shenanigans in the future. Ooh, he doesn't trade pieces. Can I not just play queen h5 check though? He has to play knight g6 or knight e7, a knight f7. Not sure if he likes to do those. Now, should I play pawn c4 first? That's the real cue. No, I can't. I shouldn't have. Don't think I can. Alright, let's play pawn c4. He's probably going to play knight there. Now we just play queen here. If he captures, I'm down. Alright, he says no. I'm gonna say yes. Might have to play like bishop e2 soon. I'm gonna try to take advantage of this weird opening my opponent's going for here. Haven't seen one of these before. Now if I take, he has to take back the c pawn. Maybe we can do something about that. Let's capture here. Opponent has to capture back there as expected. Bishop g3 here, or just bishop e2? I think just bishop e2 makes a lot of sense here. Not scared of any discovered attacks, and no discovered attacks here. We can play like pawn g4 in the future. Just go for a kingside attack if he decides to castle queenside. He does not. Do we play pawn b4 here? Gain space? I don't know, do we? Play queen g6? Force his castling? Or do we play rook d1? Rook d1, just pressure d5. I like this one. Let's go for this idea here. Again, we're not scared of any discovered attacks. No discovered attacks here are dangerous. Of course, you have to calculate that. And in your own games, it's very important you do that. Ooh, he allows me to take there, but obviously taking there is not a good idea. We're going to try to take advantage of this weak square that my opponent just gave me for free. I'm attacking this and I'm attacking this, so you could better move like bishop f8 or something. Or if you want to give me this dark square bishop, I'm completely down for that. Ooh, what is this move? Interesting move. Allows knight here check. Or can I just not... Can I just move my queen back? That's real cute. I think I can. But do I want to give the check first? That's the real cue. I think I give the check first, actually. Yeah, we give the check first. And then if he moves the king, then I move knight e6. Or if he moves here, then I check here over here. And gain the light squares. As you can see, even though my opponent has a light square bishop, he has a lot of light square weaknesses. So it's very important you guys understand where your bishop is and what weaknesses you're creating. So you see how by making one move, I immediately pounce and his position kind of just explodes here, right? Because here, what is he going to do, right? If he moves his king, well, over there, well, then he's getting like mated or something. Or just a free piece on f7 at the very least, right? And I still have threats of like knight e6 check and just checking the queen and winning stuff here. My opponent's in a lot of trouble here. He can't play queen g8, I take on e7. He can't play really many squares. He can't play many places. So here, do I just check and just be annoying? I think I do. Say, hey, I'm checking you, what you gonna do? I see, his king is going outside on a journey. Alright, let's play knight here. I mean, we're just gonna consolidate now. My opponent's low on time, life is good for me. What more can I want in these type of positions? maybe I can make my opponent suffer here, but let's just play pawn b4. Just a simple move. Letting my opponent's time right now, but also I have the advantage here, so. Alright, let's just play queen e6. If you want to trade pieces, I'm down to trade pieces. Let's trade. And we won on time. One of the things I've realized I haven't been very good at lately, after I haven't played in a long time, is basically winning one positions or consolidating. So let's play Philidor here. Ooh, he just gives me a free pawn. Now the question is it really a free pawn? Does he have any sacrifices? Don't think so. I think there's just actually a free pawn in e4. Yeah, because I can just move my knight back. And life is good. Now, here let's just play e6. Just say, hey, you want to trade pieces? I'm down to trade pieces. Let's play d5. Say, hey, you have no threats here. Go away. Go away, my friend. Let's play h6. Would you like to take me? Double my pawns. Alright, he says no. Let's try to play e5 or c5. Whenever you have a position like this, I know a lot of people think the triangle formation is the strongest formation in the game, but it's most definitely not. You want to go for this idea. You want to play either c5 or e5 in all these positions here. Ooh, did I just allow knights here? I might have. I have queen e5 check though. Should be fine. If we trade pieces, it's even more fine. Alright, let's play a6. If you want to trade pieces, I'm down to trade pieces, my friend. More pieces, the better. I don't understand this knight h3 move as well. Maybe my opponent's just one of those attacking players, just having a good time. Where's he from? Where's this guy from? Belgium. Anybody watching from Belgium? Don't know any Belgian people? People from Belgium? Only thing I know about Belgium is their capital is a city named Brussels, I think. Where are you guys all from? Tell me in the comment section below. I used to do this all the time in my streams. Now, hopefully I can stream a lot more in the future as well. Again, let's trade pieces, my friend. The more pieces we trade, the better. See my opponent's YOLOing, giving me free queens as well. Seems to be a common trend. Alright, let's trade off more pieces, my friend. Alright, let's take on c2. Actually, let's take on... actually, c2 is more important. It's the more critical pawn because I get to take everything here. And we won. Alright, let's do this one over here. Alright, Nimzovich defense, my favorite chess player. Now d6 is not the main line. Usually you play e5 or d5. Now d6 just allows me to gain the center, I think. He could have transposed it to a Philidor, but he didn't, so... Not too sure about this opening here by my opponent here. Let's just play here. Plays knight here. The thing is, we do not want to trade pieces, so we reject. Alright, my opponent gives me free pieces. Seems to me, as we're getting higher, people are just blundering more and more pieces. I don't know what's happening. Alright, trade pieces. Queen captures, he's going to castle, and we castle. Or should we just play bishop e3? Actually, let's just castle. Make sure pieces are safe. Make sure life is good. Alright, let's play queen f3, defend that a little bit more. Also getting out of this file. Alright, let's play knight here, just saying, hey, I'm going to take your bishop here. If you play there, then we play bishop here. Again, the more pieces traded off, the better it is for me. Alright, let's move here. We have like f4 ideas here. Now, can I just check here? Probably, but why bother? Let's just play knight here. Make sure there are no discovery attacks that are kind of annoying. I guess knight f3 you could say is kind of annoying because then he has a dark square bishop, but this is just trading off pieces. I am up a piece here, so I'm fine with that. Alright, this allows en passant. Let's en passant. Let's play like rook here. Which rook should I use? I think this rook is better. If you play c5, then we just capture. Should be fine. We could also play pawn f4. in this position now. That's what we're threatening. Now the question is, can we just capture on c5? Make sure there are no tactics. Looks to be fine to me because the pawn is pinned on d6. So we take those. And the rest should be history at this point. Life is pretty good. Life is good. Alright, and another free queen. I don't know what's been happening. In the last few episodes, people have just been giving me free queens. Alright. Last game for today. Alright. Let's see it. Ooh, is he going to be a London player? Who cares? Well, it's a Kali Zucrator player. Well, he put the bishop on e2, which is actually the proper move. Right, let's just play a King's Indian-like setup. Let's get our pawn to b6. Let's get our piece over here. I don't know why he put the bishop here. The idea is you're supposed to put the bishop over there. Let's play c5. He says no. Let's play pawn e6. He captures. We have open f file. We have nice pieces here. Alright, let's play d5 now. Huh. Wait a second here. That's just helping me, my friend. This is a weird position, to say the least. I mean, I have a super powerful bishop, and because of that, I am not afraid of anything in this position. This bishop's powerful, this bishop's powerful, everything is powerful, everything is good, life is good. Is life good for you guys? Hopefully life is good for you guys. Life is not good for this rook though, that's for sure. I really want to sack. I really want to sacrifice. Doesn't quite work though, unfortunately. Let's play bishop here. Let's poke it a little bit. Let's poke that piece, that rook a little bit. Ask the rook where it wants to go. Now I can play here. No, I cannot. Now how do I continue from this very good position of mine? Do I just play here? Think I do? Because look, his pieces are weird. You can say this is developed, but it's not really developed. My opponent's attacking my piece there. It's kind of being annoying. Don't like it when my opponents are annoying to me. Alright, I guess we just move our bishop back here. He says he doesn't want to trade off pieces. Alright, let's play queen here. Let's poke that knight a little bit. Ooh, this allows bishop takes here, I believe. But then he can take on a7. Is that annoying? It is kind of annoying, so let's just defend it. Make sure there's no compensation for my opponent. I can also play bishop e6 as well. Now my opponent's not threatening anything here, so I think we can just capture over here. Should be fine. Don't think there are any threats. And life is good. You can't play here because I can just capture both of them. So there are no like discovered attacks over here that wins my rook. So life is good. Alright, now we just move this back. Say, hey, your knight's pinned now. What you're gonna do? And I'm up a pawn. And I have the bishop pair. And a lot of good things are happening to me. And your piece is pinned. This is why moving rook a2 was a little bit questionable. Why didn't he just play knight c3? A little bit questionable, so we take advantage of it. Alright, so we won all the games for the last few days since the disconnect. And we're slowly getting up there. Slowly getting up there. So far, the games have actually gotten easier today. I don't know why. Is it because it's early today? People aren't trying? Maybe... I don't know. If you're around this rating, tell me in the comment section below why you think players are blundering pieces left and right in these positions. Or I probably should have did this a long time ago. Just invade his position. Here. Do you want to trade pieces? I'll let you trade pieces. How rude of him. He says no. Doesn't want to trade pieces. Very rude of my opponents here. I was so kind to give him this very kind offer as well. Oh well, what can we do? What can we do? Alright, we take there. In between move doesn't quite work because now this pawn is hanging. Everything is hanging. Life is sad. Alright, now we're just gonna promote this pawn to victory. Actually, let's take here first. Boom. What you gonna do? You're gonna try to promote your pawn, my friend? Make sure there's nothing our opponent can do. His king can't get closer here. We just push. My opponent has to capture there, otherwise it promotes. And we won this game. Easy peasy. Let's take that. Let's move our bishop here. And then we just promote our pawn. We say no, you're not promoting this guy. And we won the game. Alright, so that's it for today. Tell me in the comments section below why you think these players have been blundering so much lately. So we had like 3 queen blunders today. And tell me if this happens to you guys, whether against you or if you're the one blundering the queen. Alright, I'll see you in the next video.